Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to activate Snapchat dark mode. Now let's get started. So to activate Snapchat dark mode, what you have to do is just simply open up your Snapchat application, and after opening up your Snapchat application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left and then tap on the gear icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that, now scroll down and you will find app appearance. Just simply tap on app appearance, and from here you can change your Snapchat theme to dark mode or to light mode or to custom app theme. So now if you just simply tap on always dark and then tap on restart now, and after doing that, here you can see guys, the app has been changed to dark mode. Now if you don't want to add a dark mode, if you want to add a custom theme, then you just have a tap on app appearance and then tap on custom theme. And now to access this option, you basically have to have a Snapchat Plus subscription, and you can have a custom theme on your Snapchat. So that's it guys, this is how to activate Snapchat dark mode. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.